Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will be taking class of this Geetham Varaveena in the raga Mohanam. I guess it's really familiar one for you all, but this time I will be teaching its most easiest way to learn this Geetham Varaveena. So before I begin the lesson, let me sing it for you first. So this is the Geetham. So at first, before starting the lyrics, we need to learn the notes, the swarams. And obviously before that, we need to know something about this raga Mohanam. Okay. So what all do we know about this raga Mohanam? This raga Mohanam, it is the derivative of 28th Melagartha, Hari Kamboji. Earlier we discussed about 15th Melagartha raga, that's Maya Malayalam, right? This time it's 28th Melagartha raga's derivative, that's Mohanam. Okay. When we check its Arohana as well as the Arohana, we can find out that it is having just 5 notes. We can call this either as a pentatonic scale because it has got only 5 notes. In our language, we say it as an Audava raga. In the Arohana, it possesses 5 notes, and also in the Arohana also it has 5 notes. But instead of saying it as Audava raga, we simply say it as an Audava raga. No need to repeat that word again. Okay. Then, 2 notes are missing in this scale. Which are they? We have got a Sa, Ri, Ga, Pa. We missed a Ma there. Then Dha. We are missing another note also, that's a Ni. So we can say it as a Madhyama Nishada Varjya raga. Okay. And like the previous lessons, previous ragas, this raga also is not having 4 notes, and so we can call this as an Ubanga raga. Okay. Now the notes, that's what Asana. Sa is Shajam. Ri is Chaturshruti Rishabha. This is the first time we are going to use that Rishabha. Okay. Chaturshruti Rishabha. Then the next is Andara Gandhara, then Panjama, and Chaturshruti Daivatam. Chaturshruti Daivatam also, it's the first time we are going to use in this. So, how to sing it? We should learn that Arohana and Avarohana first. Sa, that's plain now, right? Ri, for Ri, I am giving a Gama. Re, Re. How many notes are there? There are 3 notes. What am I saying? Re. So that will be the last. 1, 2, Re. 1, 2, Re. From where I am picking it up? It's from below. So which is the preceding note of Re? That's Sa, Shadja. So we are starting from Sa, then we are moving up. La, then Re. So who is the second one? Sa, 2, Re. It went above Re. So who is the next note of Re? That's Ga. So the notes are Sa, Ga, Re. Right? Re. But if we sing it like that, it will never sound like a gama. So give it a quick spin. Re. Okay. Sa, re, ga, pa. Ga and pa are just plain notes again. Da. For da also we are using the same technique. Da. How many notes are there? Da. 3 notes. We started it from its preceding note, which is pa, and we went upwards to sa, and then we came back to da. Pa, sa, da, da. Okay. Da, sa. So when we combine that mode, we will get the arohana like this. Sa, re, ga, pa, da, sa. Okay. Now let's learn the arohana. Sa. For sa, I gave a slide, and it was from its preceding note, which is da. Da, sa, sa. Okay. Sa, da. You can either sing it like a slide, like from sa to da. Da, sa, da, da. Either like that or sa, da. It is from da, sa, da, da. Okay. You can sing it either in such a way also. That's also right. Sa, da, pa, ga. For ga, I gave an anuswara. Ga, from the Rishabha. Ga. Okay. Re. Re is just a repeat of that what we sang in the arohana itself. Re, sa. So when we combine all those things, we will get arohana like sa, da, pa, ga, re, sa. Before we begin the lesson, let me teach you some more points, some mistakes we might make when we learn this raga Mohanam. Actually, I have heard some people singing Mohanam with lot many Anyasuras like Madhyamam, Kaishin Vishadam and Kagala Vishadam as well. So when we learn this raga Mohanam, I want you all to be very much clear of this really tough raga. Most people might think this raga is the most easiest one, but I find it really hard because this raga has got only 5 notes. Okay, it is not having any 7 notes, right? And if we make a mistake in between while we sing this D or da, when we are giving the gama, we might end up in Kagala Vishada, Kaishin Vishada or Shuddham. That's a problem. Anyway, I'll teach that mistakes also. Then only you will understand that. Okay, when we sing the arohana, sa, re, ga, pa, da, sa. Okay, that's the that's the right way. Okay. And I have never seen a person making a mistake in the arohana. But when they are singing the arohana, I have seen lot many people making lot many mistakes. Okay, and one of it is like this. Sa, da, pa. Okay. In the kirtan, sa, da, pa, la, ya. They're singing this way. Actually, they are singing it as sa, sa is da, da, that's da, di, da. Chatushrudeva and Kaishiganisha, they are actually giving it a touch there again. Sa, da, pa, la, ya. Okay. So that's a mistake because the Mohana is not having any Kaishiganisha, right? So that's a mistake. Then another mistake. Sa, da, pa, sa, da, pa, sa, da, ni, sa, da. That's Kagala Vishada. And sa, da, pa. When we sing it in this way, actually we won't find it easily because this nishada comes between this diagrams gamma only, right? So it is not getting much projection or something like that, and it's been concealed there. Sa, da, pa, but that's also wrong usage. We can see this usage only in Kalyani or Shankara ragams like that. Okay. Sa, da, that's also wrong usage. If you want to sing a gamma like that for this Mohanam, you should sing it from sa da sa da sa da. That's right. Because here we are not using any foreign notes. Okay. So those are the two mistakes, and the other one is ga re re. Most of the people when they sing this Varanam ninnu kuri. Ninnu ko. Actually they are singing as ga 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 mari 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 ga mari madhyamam shuddha madhyamam. That's also wrong usage in this Mohanam. So if you wish to sing such an usage, then you should sing it in this way. Ninnu ko. Here I sang it as ga ga sagari sagari. I didn't sing it in Madhyamam there. So I find this raga as the most difficult one. The reason is it has got only 5 notes. That's the main problem. Okay. So by understanding all those flows that we might make while we learn this Geetham, okay, let's start this lesson in its most easiest way. So the first, ga ga pa a pa a. Both pa is having an extra beat. Earlier in my previous classes I taught you how to sing this sustained beats, right? Okay. So I'm starting this lesson as ga ga pa pa. For both Pancham I didn't give much embellishments, but for this starting ga ga I gave an anuswaram, and there's a slide ga. I just lifted this Gandhara from its preceding note, that's a Chatursruti Rishabha. Ga ga pa pa. The rest is just straight notes. Then da pa sa sa, da pa sa sa. For da, I gave a slide from above. Da pa da. 2 notes are there. And I said it came from its above note. Which is its above note? That's sa. Sa da da. Okay. Da pa sa sa. The rest is just simple straight notes. Then re sa da da pa. For re Rishabham I gave a slide from below, but it was not from its preceding note, which is sa, but I picked it up from Daivada. Re re sa da re sa. Those are the notes. Re sa da da pa. This usage we used in this previous phrase also. So it will sound like re sa da da pa. Then da pa da. Da. For da, I gave a slide from its above note. Da pa sa da pa. Da pa ga ga ga. Like the first phrase, I gave an anuswaram for this Gandharam. That's Rishabham. Ga ga, and the re is re. It's a gamam from below. Sagi, that re. So when we phrase it, it will sound like da pa ga ga re. Then ga pa da sa da. Ga pa da sa da. Ga and pa I sang it in the street. Ga pa. The next da. Da sa. We use it in the Arohana itself. And this gama is from below. Pa sa da da, like that. Ga pa da sa da. Okay. That last line I slide it from above. It's no from Shanja. So when you phrase it, it will sound like ga pa da sa da. Or we can sing it in the other way. We can pick it up from below note, like ga pa da sa da. That's also okay. The next phrase, da pa ga ga re. It is just the repeat of its We sang it in some other phrase, I don't remember this phrase. So it's just a repeat. Da, pa, ga, ga, re. The next phrase. Ga, ga, da, pa, ga. Ga, ga, da, pa, ga. Here, I started this Gandhara from its preceding rule, which is Rishabha. Ga, ga, okay. Da, pa, I gave a slide from above. Da, sa, da, pa, then ga. Actually, mostly we don't give a gamma for this Gandhara, but here, for an embellishment, we are giving a gamma for this Gandhara, and those notes are ga, ga. What we say will be last, which is ga. So ga will be the last one. How many notes are there? Ga. 3 notes are there. So Gandhara is the last one. I started this gamma from its below note. Ga, a. So which is its below note? Actually it's Rishabha, but here I am starting it from Shadjan. Sa, and I went upwards. Even above this Gandhara. Who is above Gandhara? As Panjam. Sa, pa, then ga, sa, pa, ga, ga. Okay. So when we phrase it, ga, ga, da, pa, ga. Okay. Then pa, ga, ga, ri, sa. Pa, ga, ga, ri, sa. Pa is straight, okay? Pa, then ga, ga. I picked it up from its preceding note, which is Rishabha. Ga, ga, ri, sa. Rishabha is the same. Ri, sa, ga, ri, sa. Okay, clear up with that? So that's all for this day. I'll be completing this entire lesson, the swarams of this lesson in my next class. Okay, so keep on practicing, and those who have not yet subscribed my channel, do that now itself for more of my updates. Okay, see you all in the next video. Bye.